Welcome to Artificial Professor. And in this video, I will explain how to sign up Twitter with your Google account. Let's start the process. Open your Twitter app. So as you see, I don't log in my account in Twitter. So let's try to sign up with my Google account by tapping on this profile icon, which is at the left top. So from here, if you want to create new account, you can also create account. But if you want to log in with your existing account, like I want to log in with my Google account, and then tap on login. So from here, tap on the option, continue with Google. And the last one is choose your ID, like I'm using my third ID. So as you see, it start processing and I'm logging in with my Google account, and also choose the language from here and tap on the option next. So you need to write everything like your date of birth. But remember one thing, write the same date which you write in your Google account, like this. After writing, tap on the option next. And again, tap on the option next. So here is my username. You can also change this by yourself, but for me I think it will be okay. After writing, tap on the option next. And the last one is tap on the option continue, tap on allow. So if you want to follow someone, then tap on the option follow, like I will follow this news channel. After following, tap on the option next. So by this way, you can sign in Twitter with your Google account. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.